SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro Titan Max with a 60-inch cutting deck and a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. This is the Titan Max. It does come with a 60-inch cutting deck. The deck is made with 10-gauge steel. As you can see here in the front, it does have the bull nose as well. This does come with cast aluminum spindles. Here's your gas tank, which is a 7-gallon fuel tank. This has the rollover protection system, as well as this rear bumper back here, which is going to protect your engine. The engine is a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. This does run with a hydrostatic transmission system. You do have your rubber chute here. Here you have your controls, your PTO, your choke. Your cutting height adjustment, which is foot pedal operated. Your cutting heights are going to be 1.5 inch to 5 inches. Here's your seat. There's also a built-in cup holder. Once again, this was the Toro Titan Max with a 60-inch cutting deck and a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds that can make a great package deal for you.